अतसी पुष्पसङ्काशं हारनूपुरशोभितं रत्नकङ्कणकेयूरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. Lord Krishna is the supreme power of all. His journey over 800 years, where he is hailed as the Vishnu incarnate, is very interesting. The various events that took place during the lifetime of Lord Krishna are the temples that are seen in different parts of India. Here are some important Sri Krishna temples of North India. Dwarkadish Temple, Dwarka, Gujarat. It is a famous holy pilgrimage for the devotees. It comprises of a five-story structure having 72 pillars. This temple is also known as Jagat Mandir. The temple is believed to be 2500 years old. It is located in the center of the city and is believed to be built by Vajranabh, the great grandson of Krishna. The main idol of the temple is carved out of a black marble and is adorned with Kaustubhamani and a garland which was gifted by goddess Lakshmi. One hand of the idol has a Sudarshana chakra while the other has a conch shell. Dwarka is one of the Chardhams. Jagannath Temple, Puri, Odisha. In the main sanctum of the temple, there is a finely carved wooden statue of Jagannath. On either side of the idol are the idols of brother Balarama and sister Subhadra. Every 12 or 19 years, these wooden figures are royally replaced using similarly carved replica from wood. It is one of the holiest places to visit. Sri Radha Madan Mohan Mandir, Vrindavan. This was the first temple to be built in Vrindavan. The main deity is Lord Krishna along with Radharani and Lalita Sakhi. It is believed that the main idol was discovered by Madana Mohan at the base of an old vat tree in Vrindavan where he used to do bhajans. This temple is also related to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, a spiritual teacher who founded Gaudiya Vaishnavism. Banke Bihari Temple, Vrindavan. It was built in 1863 by Goswamis. One day, a disciple of Swami Haridas requested him to sing some verses. Impressed by his voice, the celestial couple Radha Krishna appeared in front of Haridas and left a black image before disappearing. The lotus feet of the idol are kept hidden. They can be seen on Akshay Tritiya. Here, the Mangalarti is performed only once a year. Devotees believe that if they attend this Aarti, there will be no financial problems in the future. Jugal Kishore Temple, Vrindavan. It was built by Jahangir in 1684. Krishna killed the demon Kesi and took bath on this ghat. Radharaman Temple, Vrindavan. This temple was built in 1542 AD. It was commissioned by Gopal Bhatta Goswami, one of the 6 Goswamis of Vrindavan who followed the principles of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu strictly. The deity is self-manifested out of the Shaligram Shila. Prem Mandir, Vrindavan. This temple is located in the outskirts of Vrindavan. It was founded by Jagadguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj. Mirror paintings and figures depicting the important events of Lord Krishna's life can be seen here. Govind Dev Ji Temple, Jaipur. The main idol of the temple was brought by Raja Savai Jai Singh II, the founder of Jaipur, and the structure was built by Akbar. The image in the temple looks like Krishna's form during his incarnation on earth. This idol was formed by Vajranabh, the great grandson of Lord Krishna. Sri Keshav Rai Ji Temple. Situated in Bet Dwarka, the actual abode of Lord Sri Krishna is highly revered. It is believed that Krishna's childhood friend Sudama came to visit him in this place. To reach this place, one will have to take a boat from Dwarka. Shamalaji Temple, Gujarat. It is located on the bank of Misho River. The main deity is Sakshi Gopal or Gadadhar. The idol of Lord Sri Krishna is depicted as a black incarnation of Lord Vishnu and worshipped as a cowherd. This temple is entirely made of white marble depicting different mythological stories. Jagannath Temple, Ahmedabad. This temple is known for the idol of Lord Jagannath with his brother Lord Baldev and his sister goddess Subhadra. Also, there is a Hanuman temple in the vicinity. Similar to the Ratha Yatra in Puri, this temple too has its car festival. Kesavadiyo Temple, Mathura. This temple is significant as it is built at the same place which was once the prison where Lord Krishna was born. In the main sanctum of the temple, there is a marble statue of Lord Krishna along with the small idols of Krishna, Radha, and Balrama. At the back of the main sanctum, there is a small room which represents the prison where Lord Krishna was born. Balka Tirtha and Dehotsarg, Somnath, Gujarat. This is the spot where the arrow pierced Krishna when he was in deep meditation. The Tribangi idol of Lord Krishna playing his flute is beautiful. Nearby in Dehotsarg is the confluence of the rivers Hirana, Kapila, and Saraswati. It was here that Krishna left his mortal body and departed to his heavenly abode. So, this place is auspicious for performing the last rites. Dwarkadish Temple, Mathura. This temple mainly features the black marble idol named Dwarkanath and white marble idol of Sri Radharani. Another small temple of Lord Krishna Shaligram can be seen in the temple courtyard. Birla Mandir, Haryana. There is a dazzling chariot marble. The chariot is drawn by 4 horses, and Lord Krishna and Arjuna are seated with 18 more characters from the epic. Apart from all these temples, ISKCON, a religious organization formed to practice Bhakti Yoga, has well known temples of Lord Krishna in Vrindavan, Mayapur, New Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. Jai Shri Krishna.